Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. Oh my gosh, Dual Rules Festival's around the corner. So the next few uploads, I'm gonna share some important news about it. But let's start with what happened yesterday and is happening today, July 3rd. That's why I thought it was very important I put something out. So, New Era Production and the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining teamed up with New Era Production to provide workshop for young youths. This is so amazing. It will help influence people into knowing more about agriculture and fishing, and also help with farming. We got to get a lot of these youths interested in farm work. Take a read, check it out. But what's even amazing is that when you not only do the youths attend this workshop, but they also have job opportunities. There's going to be paid employment for 50 to 80 youths. This is a great way to get all those youths who are trying to, make a money, a little hustle, an opportunity to find some work. So I thought that was very important to share. So check it out, spread the word. Today's the 3rd, so hopefully you guys can catch something before it's too late. And remember, new rules, July 5th. It's so exciting. We also have a bus. Well, not me, but New Rules will also have a bus from different locations to help bring people to the venue. So it's very important that you link up with New Rules. Call the number you see in front of you right here and try to find out how you could get to the venue, there and back safely. All right. So that's the update so far. Let's continue.